we still humongous. You can bring it on if you wanna run. But some of my friends turn to my brothers. Don't get me wrong, cause they few in numbers. Let's see our love, that's my motto. I'm trying to make it to tomorrow. I only trust in G.O.D. It takes away all of my drama. I'm a gangster, I don't show no pity. I only take care of me and my business. Just in the bag, I ain't chasing no bitches. I only need me, yeah, I stay independent. I got my brothers from another mother. They go by the renegades, they be the realest. We came for the bottom, we condone no drama. Our heads in the game, and we always be winning. Yeah, big up 7-7, that's my nigga. For him, I swear I will pull the trigger. I can't forget MYG, I can't forget Lesha. Big up little bro, call him talent. Utopia, a douchebag. That glue, he be earning them big racks. Say on Zeno, how you doing, big man? And the CK kid and the Zilla. Circle small, but we still humongous. You can bring it on if you wanna run. But some of my friends turn to my brothers. Don't get me wrong, cause they few in numbers. Let's see our love, that's my motto. I'm trying to make it to tomorrow. I only trust in G.O.D. It takes away all of my drama. Circle small, but we still humongous. You can bring it on if you wanna run. But some of my friends turn to my brothers. Don't get me wrong, cause they few in numbers. Let's see our love, that's my motto. I'm trying to make it to tomorrow. I only trust in G.O.D. It takes away all of my drama. Up by myself on the back, tell myself, nigga, give it your best, go and break a leg. Put my feelings to rest, started chasing the bag. Look at me, yeah, I turned to a better man. Yeah, I talked to my ex, she told me she a fan, told her thank you, but she can stay in the best. All these other rappers can just take a nap. I'm the best and ain't nobody changing that. Bitches be running, but they ain't the ones we be chasing. Our favorite color is green. Don't talk to me, little bitch, we ain't gonna acquaintance. Just make the way for the king. I stay off the grid, I like to keep it to myself, cause all y'all be causing a scene. Bitches be seeking attention, niggas be acting hard, but it's just an erection. Sit down, little boy, follow my lead, let me show you how the big dogs do it. If you got a dream, pursue it. If it's about a bitch, then make sure that you don't do it. These bitches ain't really worth my time. I've been heartless for a long time. Y'all niggas turn to a fiend, you don't wanna cross me, I lead you to